Welcome to Bengadike Shrine. Just tell me your problem and consider it done. Any of your problem, it shall be solved here today. Thank you, Baba. Thank you, Baba. See, I've walked a very long way to just get you, and I believe you can do this work very well. See, Baba, what I want from you, I want to be rich because I am a musician. I want to have big money. I want to be richer than Dangote.
Apostle, we have
Good voice like whiskey. I want to be rich like Davido.
Will you keep
And
quiet?
like Olamide. Baba, I have a very sweet voice too, but I want to have more sweet voice. I can even show you my song. I can sing some to you. Yes. My son, are you sure you are ready for this great task? You said you are a musician. Okay? You are going to sing to the gods and let the God listen to your voice. So then, you become a millionaire. Okay. Olúwa!
Jesus is
Olúwa!
Lord.